Mama wakwaba meeting ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Listen. John Dramani Mahama Akoje Bosia by the handing over notes of Alan Kwedu Chiremanten. Komenda Sugar Factory did not cost us 32 million as they has told us. It cost us 36 American million dollars. Not to build a new factory, no. Yeah, ma many ya papa no mo amanyine ne de munim say Komenda Sugar Factory nkromeja pade e wujaye. And you say you sha, and you know it was a very good idea. John Mahama and his team sat down and saw say ye credible menimuno edoso. We are spending over 100 million for just sugar. So why can't we resuscitate the factories we have and make our own sugar? God bless Mahama for that idea. Then what happened? Then he got the money. Okay? After he got the money, what did he do? He went, told us he has fixed the factory. The factory runs, and in no time, that factory never produced again. As we speak, not you, not me. Mahama commissioned Komenda Sugar Factory, duly commissioned. But from the time he commissioned to the time he left office, till today, we did not see a cube of Komenda Sugar Factory on the market of Ghana. Nepacho, Mahama commissioned, built the commissioned a Komenda Sugar Factory. Now, anyone was say, Mahama njuma na hoye nini na no. Okay? He commissioned Komenda Sugar Factory. And see chire cube do to ba kupo every Komenda Sugar Factory ma yam fa ndi kuku. Nepacho uhu Komenda Sugar Factory o Sebe on the market ana Nepacho uhu ya na debi because they chopped the money, did the media skirmish, paid Captain Smart and his people to come and lie to Ghanaians, and we lost money. Ghana lost 36 million. I want you to watch this video, and after I'll add my comments to it, and we go to that lion boy called Sami Genfi. Let's do this.
The Minister of Trade and Industry, Pio Gabra, has attributed the close down of the sugar factory to lack of power supply from the Electricity Company of Ghana.
According to the minister,
as we speak, Utiye, I say, I see the pain and this for the sweet as facts and oh yes, we will let them learn. These guys, me see about force swarm for them to start speaking the truth. As we speak, what is the unemployment rate in Ghana? Still better than what John Dramani Mahama left. 2022, unemployment rate 3.87. 2023, as we speak now, they are expecting, say, by the end of 2023, unemployment would peak at a percentage point of 5. It is a Sami Genfi will say unemployment rate was better under JM than ASA. Facts na mediacho. Medo Koyako 2008. Their President Kufo Jama Omo Ansana. Unyame ya adumoa. Ochina me hotome ding. Na me ba. Yet the other indicators. Na yet they compare other countries. There was this publication I got that really caught my eye. It really caught my eye. Good, any? Okay. Sure. 2023 unemployment rate. As we speak, 4.8% in loss, 6.5% in April 2023. Okay. So we have countries like Austria, Estonia, Finland, and Greece with unemployment rate as high as 6.5. Outside of Europe, now let's look at Japan and others. They are doing 3.7, 3.4, 3.7, 3.4. Ghana is doing 3.8, 3.9. And you let this small boy who claims he's a lawyer but don't know anything to come and lie to you. Fact ni na media bano. Please, fellas, did you listen? Mad dog. Ekufuado akojiske kodi na mahama akojiske kodi ye mu omote parliament won na bu approve sa nya mane ne yakodi ntube di atem but the fact is fact is fact. Yeah, bet tax new one about almost say bet tax. But Canada ni ben or so or no buy or no sebe his lottery was not taxed. Why Trudi wa one at America or US you're saying the lottery and taxing no on my country. Please write it in terms because I'm sorry, as I said, Ghana, yes, say bruchiri, you yate, Ghana, be yes, say bruchiri, a bruchiri for we near a total tax. And US, my part of US, for Hana, I'm on the tax to US. UK, they say they pay bet tax because I'm with Betway, so I know. UK, omutia tax from bet winning, so. Udie, omutia, tiemiye. Me pacho Italy for omo chacha omutia tax. What's it? Canada don't Canada taxes you where? Chairman, Mama Trawa there. Dr. Drew, I'm telling you now, there is a tax on your winnings. Uko winning 649 and then utie uko winning 649 and then there. Answer the info sika ne mauno. You better to be beer free. You better to be beer and sign your day. Sika check the domo the bema say you won 100 million. Now, who the future picture? But back door no, yeah. Yeah, you write it. The tax. Now, when the car said there's no taxes on betting, since when? There is. I know for a fact there is. Okay? Obi crowd is a maybe. Information be a gua. Let's see. Dr. Drew, top 10 highest versus lowest gambling taxes around the world. Okay. Chairman Drew, the Nyame gua. Okay. All the way South Africa. Thank you. Good. I like informations like this. Yes, you're absolutely right. Your federal and state taxes on it. Of course. Chairman Drew, minimum conform, scar,